Hello, today I'm going to show something which, today I'm going to demonstrate. You know, the reason why I did this was so recessed. Definitely traditional blast. Alright, I finished the tongs. Here it is. There we are, you can see that those... There we are. There we are.
Not actually in focus.
Oh, that's good then.
Not really. You won't be using any of this.
Here are our four. I'm saying I did 36 90-degree turns. So 36 divided by 4, 12. 12 full rotations, all clockwise. What I'm going to do now is that right? 12. 36 divided by 4. That's not 12. 9. I did 9 full rotations. Maths. Yeah, that was good. Violent wire brushing. Well, it gets the scale off like 2 points on each piece. And each piece roughly goes around 3 times. So, 1, 2, 1. I've lost count. And I've literally just put it on. How is that even possible? And each, I'll start again, is much more aesthetically pleasing. The toe caps are flat. Okay. Well, that went well, didn't it? It's because the steel, the billet has so much heat in it. Oh dear. Right. I really enjoyed making this video. Thank you to Indestructible Shoes once again for giving me the opportunity to do all this, and I had a lot of fun. I'm just saying the same thing over and over again. Try and make one of these. It's very hard. Good luck. Oh. Right. This was very... This was very... Look! I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoy making things, as you all know. And I'll see you soon. So, let's see if these glasses actually fit. I haven't tried them on yet. This is the first time. A bit tight, weirdly. I thought they were going to be a bit big. Oh. Yeah. Probably made for somebody with a bit of a wider head or wider eyes. But you could wear them down. Rather nice. A bit big, bit clunky. But they're alright, aren't they? It's a nice little thing to try and make. A bit hard to get on, weirdly. Anyway, thank you for watching the video, and I hope to see you on the next one.